This company is called Cyrill, but I think it's Cyrill, C-Y-R-I-L-L. And they sent me a few cases here to take a look at. I wanted to dive in and take a real quick overview of some of their options. Amazon, you look up Cyrill, like I said, C-Y-R-I-L. This is the S23 case. They have a few options here. They're also gonna have the ones that have this kind of wording on the side. Not really my style, but if you want to be expressive and say how you're feeling, then go for it. They're going to range in price in between $19 to $30 based on the style that you get. And they just sent me some to look at, and I want to tell you that they are nice. Dive in here to the Ultra color first. S23 Ultra. This is in dark. It's going to be a really soft TPU material. You have this glossy edge right here that's going to give you some nice grip. And seeing as though the S23 Ultra has more squared off edges now, it actually is really nice to hold and grip. I use this throughout the day today. Let's put the phone in. So this is going to be your minimalistic, really nice, clean, light feeling case. Again, you have these really smooth edges, a little glossy that's going to allow you to have a better grip. No issues with getting the S Pen out. You have the microphone and everything exposed here. Microphone exposed on the top. On the back, no detailing except for the tiny Cyrill logo, and then a decent cutout here. Now with the S23 cases, just be warned, you cannot use these on the S22 because it does cover up the mic at the top. I had mentioned that in my last video, but just wanted to make sure super clear, not recommended. Don't use a new case on your old phone. Home of the new, classy, made for your everyday. Okay, well, there you go. That's their slogan. So what's cool about these, I really like the thin cases, except for I like them to have MagSafe in the back. So I've been using UAG or Mo's cases, mouse cases that have that built in. But if you want something super thin that's going to be, you know, just protective against like basic drops and things like that, then you can go with this. It also does come with a lanyard. I have a lanyard on my AirPods, and I use that a lot. I tried the lanyard today. I don't really think I'm going to use it very much. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this in here. The green, not great with the red color. I have the green as well, so we'll try that out in just a second. But again, same design and everything. Super clicky buttons. Yeah, nice. Very good. Let's see what it looks like with the green. Okay, much better here. So this is the green. Now it's a bit of a different shade, so it doesn't match exactly. So I don't know. I guess with this color, you might just want to go with, like, if you have a black one. It's just a little different. Now I'll be curious to know what it looks like in the sun, but I do like how it has a full open cutout, and then it has a little bit of a splash of color on the outside too. So that's pretty cool. They also sent me the Spigen. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. So let's take a look at this very quickly. Love Spigen cases, been using them for years. Okay, so this one actually has something on it. Don't talk to me, I'm on my phone. So I don't think I'll be using this one, but hey, you know what, let's take a look and see. Anyway, maybe I'll give this one to my wife when she takes one of these. There you go. Don't talk to me because I'm on my phone. I mean, it's kind of funny. I don't know. Would you guys use this? Don't talk to me on my phone. It's kind of funny, actually. So it feels like it's just a print, some stickers. You know, nothing crazy. It is by Spigen though, so it's a partnership they have between the two. So you're going to get that same kind of ultra hybrid quality when it comes to the case itself. As you can see, might cut out just fine. S Pen, no issues. So occasionally on these clear cases, you have this little issue right here where it doesn't necessarily always stay on. And that's not true with every case, but it happens a lot with these kind of clear TPU cases. All right, so we'll just leave this here for now. Okay, so don't talk to me, I'm on my phone. Cool. Very quickly, because this is more about the S23 Ultra, let's look at the Cyrill case for the Pixel 7. This is in stone. This is the stone case, and this is in dusk, color dusk. Really, really, really like this one. Has the same kind of material as the S23 Ultra. The only difference is, if you could tell here, it's got a bit more of a texture. You could see it right there. Okay, so this texture actually is super nice. Has the same kind of sides that are sticky, so it's easier to grip. Really clicky buttons, super thin. I love this. Love, love, love. So well done with this one for sure. That is staying on my Pixel 7. This is gonna be very similar color to the S23. Same kind of design here, nice and flat on the back. And look at how low that profile is for the camera bump. But you do have a little bit of a lip right there at the bottom and at the top, at the chin and the forehead, to make sure that you can put it on the table and it can rest it on the table like that. Yeah, it feels good. Feels good. I do like this. I like how thin they are. I like how thin they make it feel. It feels like you're still using the device as intended. Obviously, these are not big drop protection phone cases like I mentioned before, but you know, what are you gonna do? And then we have a special appearance here from the Z Flip 4. So let's check that out. I'm curious because I'll be honest with you, a lot of people really screw up these cases. If you have a flip, you have a fold, you don't get your hopes up, because I've tried countless cases and they all disappoint me. So my hopes are not too high. No offense to these guys, but I just say it how I see it. So it comes with extra stickers. Do you have to put them on? No. All right, so let's take these off. So little stickers. Looks like there's only 2. Get off. Of course, first rule, always gotta polish it first. I don't like her looking at me. Go away. So pop this on. I like the click. I like that click. So the test on these is always going to be whether or not it has any kind of movement right here when you go to close it, and right here when you go to close it. Hey, feels pretty good. All right, let's try the bottom. Take off this and this. And again, so what you're going to get with these is this is going to be a little more plastic material. Okay, it's not a silicone, it's a hard plastic. It's going to be a clear matte